Hello everyone and welcome back to the Investing Angles channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we will dive into Microsoft and the recent development, especially those after the monthly closure. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share the word around. You can find more detailed analysis and premium charts on the Investing Angles website, and particularly today we shared the weekly report for Microsoft with the targets and levels. And well, support us with your likes, with your subscriptions, and we begin. This is the monthly candles. This is the overall candle chart. As you can see, the 2-month candles, which closed on October 31st. This is the red one, the second red one, and it is not bullish at all. After the first one in July, August, which is obviously a dark cloud cover, we see another red one, and so far we are not seeing any signs of a potential reversal. Let's have a look at the monthly one. The monthly closed below the June low, 408.92, and it means that it is technically confirming the top on the monthly frame from candles perspective. And this is huge. Generally, right now on the monthly frame, Microsoft is bearish. How long will it last? We don't know yet, but it is something to keep in mind. The week on Friday closed with the ugly bearish engulfing candle. And just to exaggerate things, it closed below the 50-week moving average, and it also made a cross 8 by 20, the bearish cross. We actually warned about this situation way in October 19th, when we spotted this particular pattern, that the potential for moving down, and our subscribers were well prepared for the potential move by Microsoft. And the daily chart is, well, it can be a bullish pattern on the daily, but we don't see a sufficient technical support yet. And the most important thing, that it was a closure below the red line. Red line is 200 days moving average, and we can see that in one day Microsoft dropped through the blue line, purple, and the red. So it's respectively it's 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving average. So the move was huge on October 31st, and we'll see whether it's any recovery. We might see a bounce, but it's not there yet. So let's move to the next chart. All right, so this is the MACD, and we spotted this particular sequence, this particular move by Microsoft well back in August 15th, and the last update was on October 19th for our subscribers. We can see a big bearish MACD cross that Microsoft made on that day, and since then it's been increasing. So how damaging it could be, we can see it on the monthly chart. So right now, Microsoft in October, it made a bearish MACD monthly cross. The last time the cross was made in March 2022. And just to make things worse, we can see that the monthly candle, or October monthly candle, closed below the 8 months EMA for the first time since 2022. Well, Microsoft lost this major support, and we are seeing it's going to be down from here. So, well, recovery is possible, but it's not highly likely at this moment. All right, so let's move to another technical point. So what we are seeing now, right now, is this. So there is a potential for head and shoulders. We warned about it on the way back in October 15. So and right now we can see that Microsoft is moving along, and there is a potential for forming this. Well, it needs to go a little down here and break the neckline, and if it does, it will be the target for Head and Shoulders somewhere between 320 and 305, which will be a significant drop of almost 35% of the recent top. Remember this chart, and well, that's another concerning point, another signal. Moving on to Elliott waves. This is the chart that we have shared recently, and so far Microsoft is following it rather nicely. We can see the first impulse of the top, which could be either wave 1 or A, and then it was a zigzag up that Microsoft formed for wave 2 or B, and now it looks like it is moving down here. So, and these are the potential, the red rectangle represents the potential targets for wave C if Microsoft makes just this correction, and then it's going to be all the way up. But if Microsoft moves a little further down towards this level, like 325, 340, something, then we can consider it as a potential impulse of a higher degree, which could unfold following the blue path. This is something that we are watching right now, and we about a week ago we shared like a long-term view for Microsoft, and if you are interested, you can watch it on YouTube or tune into our website where we have all charts in good resolution, and also the write-ups for explaining the thought process for what is going on with the stock, and so on and so forth. So that wraps up our analysis of Microsoft using Elliott waves, candlesticks, and other techniques. Uh, Support us with your like if you like the content, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trading, everyone.